Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is the Organized Money, where we talk about planning, productivity, organization, and managing money. If that interests you, then make sure that you click that subscribe button, as I would love for you to be a part of our little family. One of the major areas of disorganization in the past in my home was clothing. Whether dirty or clean, it would always end up in different piles around the house. So I was on a mission to figure out different ways to organize it. So today I wanted to share with you 4 things that I put into place that helps my clothing and laundry organization. So with that, let's jump into the video. So the first thing that I did is purchase multiple hampers and put them in the rooms that I needed the most. Now, y'all know I love a label maker and I love to label everything that I come in contact with. So I decided that I wanted to label each one of the hampers based on the room that it was set aside for. Now, originally when I thought of this system, I had said that I was going to label it based on the person and have one for myself, one for my husband, and one for each one of my girls. However, I quickly realized that that was not going to work because everyone was putting their clothing in each person's hamper. So it was not working out. So I decided to switch the system and make it based on the room that the laundry was going to be in. So I have one set aside for the bedroom, one set aside for the bathroom, one set aside for each one of the kids' rooms, and one for the laundry room. The second thing that I did is a little bit unconventional, but it really works for my family. I added a dresser near my laundry room in order to assist me when I did not feel like walking upstairs and putting our clothing away. So I would always complete one load of laundry every day, but I didn't always feel like walking up the stairs to put it away. So I added this dresser and I labeled each one of the drawers for a family member to keep their clothing in this drawer. So everyone has a drawer, and the last drawer is just for extra laundry like towels. This dresser really has been a lifesaver, and it really adds to the organization of our clothing, especially downstairs in our home. The third thing that I did is purchase these dresser drawer organizers from Amazon. I will have a link to these in the description box if you are interested, but when I saw these, I thought that they were absolutely perfect for keeping everything organized in the drawers. So these kind of help me out in various ways. One thing is that while I'm sitting on the couch in my home, I can just fold up the laundry and add them to these different boxes. I don't have to walk back and forth to the dresser. And then the next thing that they do is that whenever I'm ready to bring anything upstairs, I can always just pull the entire box and bring it upstairs with me. I have a pair of these upstairs in the dressers upstairs and downstairs in my home. So they just work out so perfectly and they help me kind of keep everything together. So the last thing that I purchased is this shoe organizer. It's not really related to clothing, but it has been a game changer in my home because this is where my kids keep their shoes. They used to come home and throw them all over the place, but now they have a specific place as soon as they take them off to put them. It has been a game changer, and I just had to include it and show it to y'all just in case you wanted to get something like it. So that's the 4 products that I have put into place in my home that have helped us keep our laundry room organized. Is there anything that you have put in place in your home? Make sure that you let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at The Organized Money. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye guys.